Hey everybody, this is cabin 5228. This is a partial view, breezy balcony. A partial obstructed view, breezy balcony. There we go. So we'll go right to the partial view, which you can already see it. All right, so it's the same size balcony as the regular breezy balconies. This door is open, so this would normally be closed. Want to make sure I give you that look, so that would normally be closed, so the balcony's not that big. But as you can see, well, you're looking at the lifeboats. You're not looking down at the water. You can look out at the water or the city or wherever you're at, but you don't have views down. Partial obstructed view. Outside of that, you have a king-size bed or two twins, depending on how you want to have it set up. There's USB power on the lamps. Across from the bed, we have our TV. And then we have our desk area. There's a mini fridge down there. As you see, hairdryer. There's drawers. One European, one US power. Nice lighted mirror. Behind me, let's not forget the sofa. And love the star. We see that in almost all the cabins. You have three closets. In this one here, you have some, your safe, some hanging. There's actually a table that can come out of there. Some more hanging, and then there's one behind the door. By the way, that table would sort of go right there. Let's take a look at the bathroom. Nice corner shower. You do have the curtain, which allows for some extra space in here, which I kind of enjoy, especially for a smaller bathroom. Toilet's in a great place for someone my height at 6'4", so that is, as well as there's plenty of width too, so if you're a little on the fluffy side. We have 6 shelves, makeup mirror, there's some soap up there as you see, there's also power way up there, and there's some storage down beneath. All in all, not a bad bathroom, a little bit small, but I think it's very, very functional for a ship this size in this age. There is your partial view breezy balcony. Let us know what you think, if that one would be fine for you looking at that view. We'll see you in the next one. Ciao.